Welcome to Quizzes and Puzzles, where today we're diving into a mind-bending math puzzle that will test your logic and sharpen your problem-solving skills. Are you ready to crack the code? Let's get started. Task number 1. Which number solves the riddle of the question mark? Take 17 from the blue circle and subtract 9 from the orange circle in the same section to get 8. Subtracting 8 and 5 gives 3, shown in the green circle. Finally, subtract 14 from 40 to find the remaining number. Task number 2. What number should replace the question mark? The correct answer is 18. You needed to understand that all these are multiplications. 3 multiplied by 8 equals 24, 8 multiplied by 5 equals 40, 5 multiplied by 6 equals 30, and 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. Task number 3. What number belongs in the spot marked by the question mark? The correct answer is 5. To arrive at this solution, you needed to follow a specific pattern. Take the number in the center, add it to the number on the left, and then subtract the number on the right. This simple yet clever rule reveals the logic behind the puzzle. Task number 4. What number would complete the sequence at the question mark? The correct answer is 8. You were supposed to notice that the key operation between these numbers is subtraction. Each number, when subtracted from the previous one, results in the digit 8. This consistent pattern leads us to the solution. Task number 5. This task is a bit more challenging, so I'll give you a hint. First, you need to add the 2 numbers inside the parentheses. Only then can you proceed and think about the next step. The key to solving this puzzle is that you first needed to add the number at the top to the number on the left. After that, you were supposed to multiply the result by the number on the right. This simple yet logical sequence of operations, adding and then multiplying, is what leads to the correct solution. By following these steps, the pattern becomes clear and the answer falls into place. Task number 6. This is another more challenging task, so I'll give you a hint. To get the answer for each star at the end of the example, you need to divide by a certain number. Which one? You'll have to figure that out yourself. The key to solving this puzzle lies in a specific sequence of steps. First, you needed to carefully add up all the numbers located along the edges inside the star. Once you've calculated the total sum, the next logical step was to divide that number by 3. Task number 8. Think carefully. What number should replace the question mark? The numbers within the same figure are added together to form the number further down, but only after being combined with the 2 numbers in the adjacent figure. Starting from the left, it's 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 equals 13. Then it's 4 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 equals 14. Following this pattern, the next task is to figure out which number should replace the question mark. Task number 9. Math puzzles like this one are all about spotting patterns. Once you see it, everything falls into place. To calculate the correct answer, you simply needed to set up the equation. If everything is calculated properly, the result should be 14. This approach ensures the logic is followed correctly and the solution becomes clear. Task number 10. Once you identify the rule or pattern, putting the pieces together becomes much easier. The key to solving it lies in understanding the relationship between these numbers. When you add up the numbers that are positioned directly in front of each other, their sum equals 21. This consistent pattern helps us determine that the missing number, which replaces the question, is 6. Task number 11. Solve this. What number substitutes the question mark? The correct answer is 5, and you can see the full solution displayed on the screen. By carefully analyzing the relationships between the numbers and following the steps outlined in the solution, everything becomes much clearer. Task number 12. What number belongs in the spot marked by the question mark? The correct answer is 7. You multiply the top and left corner and subtract the right corner from that result. Task number 13. What's the correct answer to fill in for the question mark? The correct answer is 4, since all columns in the puzzle add up to 14. This consistent pattern is the key to solving the problem. By carefully analyzing each column and ensuring the sum remains constant, the missing number becomes clear. Task number 14. Take a look at this picture and try to solve this math puzzle. Correct answer 4. The pattern of this task was that in each egg, you needed to add the top number and the bottom number, and the answer would be on the left. Then, take those same numbers, subtract them from each other, and the answer would be on the right. Task number 15. What number should replace the question mark? Leave your answer in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. See you next time.